First of all, Binance is one of the biggest platforms in crypto and it is being used in the whole world. So if every person needs exchange which is so secure, Binance is the answer. So most of the time, as a beginner, this is how Binance looks like. But in most cases, there is original. So this is how original looks like, and you can see all. Then there is a trading view. This is how it looks like. Then there is depth of the market. This is how it looks like. Now it shows that the market, the bulls are taking over the bears. So that's how depth means. And when you come for trading view, this is where you're going to get a lot of tools where you're going, it might be to draw, to put. If you want to measure the market like this is where you're going to get. Now if you want to change the order mode, you can change. This is how you can change the order mode, because this one looks ugly for sure. Now there is classic, advanced and full screen, but to me and most of the people, they use advanced. This is how advanced looks like. You see, it's very organized. Now I will start with this thing which looks like a square. There is exchange, a blockchain and crypto asset exchange. There is institutional and VIP services if at all you need them. There is clouds, so many that one I will come with them in details, steps by steps. Then there is academy. If you want to learn more about blockchain and crypto education, this is where you're going to get all lessons on Binance and so many others. This is where Binance Live looks like. If you are at all you want blockchain broadcast to live, this is where you can get a trading terminal solutions and the charity where Binance has given some money for crypto, maybe those people in need. This is where you're going to find it. This is Trust Wallet. This is a source, an official Binance crypto wallet on Trust Wallet. I know this is another exchanger, but Binance has an account on Trust Wallet, and ABS unlimited opportunities with one key, so many others. So let's go on buying crypto. Buying crypto, there is a lot of things. When you want to buy crypto with credit card or anything, you can buy crypto via card. Those cards, they are MasterCard, Visa cards, you know them. Then there is cash. This cash, this is where you're going to use, maybe in my country they use mobile money and so many force. There is even banks. This is where the cash balance, where you're going to put your money from. Peer-to-peer trading, this is where I give you my cash and you give me crypto, or vice versa. This is where you're going to change it and you get. Now if I told you are from another country, maybe you want to use US dollar. Now when you change it to US dollar, I think you can see that you can get your crypto through Swift bank transfer. Then there is credit or debit card. Those are still the same cards, MasterCards and Visa card and so forth. Then there's peer-to-peer trading. This is where I give you crypto and you give me cash, or the vice versa. El Salvador bank payment, that is a bank which can give you crypto if at all you have the cash in US dollar. Third party payment, these are the companies, Simplex, Braxa and Paxos. These are companies that they deal most especially in cryptos. They work as third parties. When you give them dollars, then they give you crypto, and vice versa like that. When you give them crypto, they give you US dollar. Let's move to the market. The market is where you're going to find a lot of coins. There is a lot of coins, so many of them. As you can see, there is BTC, Ethereum, BTC, USDT, BNB, all coins, DOGE, ADA, they are all named. All coins that are on Binance, they are named from here. Every coin that you look, if you want its details, now they can show you its details. This is Tezos. Now they can see you. Tezos is a self-amending blockchain that can evolve by upgrading itself. The market cap, it's ranked number 44. Market cap, it is 902.08 millions. saturation supply, and so many and so forth. As you can see, if you want to trade that coin, specific coin, you just click here and you trade that coin. So let's go to trading. Trading, there's a lot of things. There is Binance Convert. This is the easiest way to trade. If you want to trade using Convert, this is the easiest way you can trade, and it is, sincerely speaking, the easiest way. Now when you reach here, if at all you don't know any trading and you want to change any coin from another coin, might be, for let's take an example that you have Hive coin and you want to put it in BSUD, you just click here, you put the amount which you want to transfer to BSUD, and once you click here enter an amount, you're good to go. You have already converted all the things that you want. Then there is spot. This spot is always what we use to trade. As I have told you right from the beginning that there is original trading and depth. I have told you in the previous. So this is how you can use spot trading. This, now if you want like a coin, let's say I want to buy Dogecoin. So if I want Dogecoin from here, I'll look for it. Not like on market where all coins are named and you look for that specific coin, but for spot you just search for that coin. Let me say Dogecoin. So once you click here, automatically you reach on Dogecoin. Now under spot, I want to buy Doge under limit order, and I according to the market, I can believe that the market will go down, might be up to 500. So I can change here my price and say, let me say it will go up to 500 BTC, and I place my 1000 Dogecoin up to 100%, and this is the amount that I will need to buy those 1000 Dogecoins. So I place my order from here. Once you place that order, your order will be placed here. This is the date when you have placed that order, the pair, Doge versus BTC, the type, the side, the price which you, when you have placed that order, which price have you bought that coin, a specific coin, the amount which you have bought, might be 1000, the field, if it is pending or filled, it is here. Now for a limit, it will be pending depending on how you have set your goal, and the total, all you have got, is it triggered on or not yet? All that one will be on open order. So still on spot, there is market order. For the market order, it will exactly buy. Once you say that I want to buy maybe 1000 BTC, specifically it will go direct and buy those amount of Dogecoin. Specifically, once you press here, it will go with the same price where you have the, unlike the limit where we have set the price after 500, but for the market, exactly when you press, it will buy there and then. Once that order is placed, Binance will charge you some small amount because that order, it is immediate. That's all. Now for the stop loss, you are informing the Binance that, you know what, I want to buy Dogecoin, I want to buy this Dogecoin at exactly when it reaches 500, might be 16. I want to buy my Dogecoin. But if at all it reaches, this is where exactly I want you to be very keen. When it comes to limit, this is the price your order will be placed from. So when you say maybe it is on 15 right now as it is moving, so I want to buy 1000 Dogecoin at this amount of BTC, and I buy. Once you press your order, it will be here as I have explained to you. So another thing, there is a trailing loss. This trailing loss works like this. Maybe our market, we believe that it will go up, but we believe that once this market, it might go down or it might go up. So once you say that I want this market, once it reaches maybe 5%, I want it, of course, to sell itself. I want to buy my Dogecoin at 512, and I want to buy 1000 Dogecoins. So once you press here, your entering price, it is 512, right? Now it will always trail your market 5%. Now when the market goes like this, now it means that trailing loss, it will measure from here. It will measure from here up to maybe around here. This is 5%. Now it will measure that this 486, it will sell itself. That is the trailing loss. If at all the market goes up like this and it reaches up to 686, this, and it now after reaching there, it starts to move down. Once it starts to move down, this Binance automatically, it will automatically, you have made profit from here up to here, but now the market has started to move down. Now Binance will count from here 5% from the from where the stop loss has occurred. Now it will move up. Once it reaches 5%, now our stop loss is no longer here on 4 something. It is already right now in 6 something, because your market has moved up to 689 maybe. Now the Binance will count, once the market starts to go down, 5% from where it has stopped. Once it reaches there, automatically it will stop there and trigger that sale automatically. That's how trailing stop works. So for OC, this one is different from trailing stop loss, but almost the same. For OC, once you say that this stop loss will reach exactly, that will not change. It is actually the opposite of trailing stop. Once you press, you say that, you know, I want, when this one reaches at 500, I want it to sell itself. Automatically when it reaches there, it will sell itself. And even if the price even goes up, it will not move. The stop loss will not move. That's the difference between OC and trailing stop loss. I hope you have understood. So after stop loss, we have margin. This margin makes a lot of profits, but very risky automatically. For the margin is different from spot. It has cross and isolated. Now when you use cross means that the market will use the whole amount you have on your Binance account. But for isolated, once you isolate, it means that only the amount you have transferred to margin account is what they will use on Binance. So once it is done, it is taken, they will not go to another amount. But if you use cross, they will even go on another amount on your Binance and use it. But isolated, that is the difference between cross and isolated, in just a simple way. So in trading, of course, it is the same. The way you trade spot, it is the way you trade margin, but only the difference is cross margin is very risky and isolated too, but it multiplies the profits that you can, but the trading is the same. So you can see all of these one, trailing stop loss, the way you set the other. In spot, it is the way you set cross and isolated. Only that what I can say, it is repay. In margin, you can get a loan and pay it back after getting your profits. That is the difference, maybe with margin, but it is very risky if it is for experienced traders. If you are a beginner, please don't go for margin without getting experience. First of all, understand what is margin and so many things are concerning margin. That's when you are going to learn and use it. So peer-to-peer, it is very simple, as I have told you, very simple. In just brief ways, if you want any amount, you want to buy USDT using peer-to-peer, it depends which currency do you want to use. You can choose your currency here, and they give you all the people who are ready to give you crypto or give you cash according to what, if you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, of course you give them cash, and if you want to sell, you give them crypto and they give you cash in hand, might be from the bank. I will not go in details in this. For today's video, I want to talk about wallet. I'll make a full video about peer-to-peer. Just subscribe and click on the bell icons. You'll get all the information from here. So after strategy trading made is a trade like a pro. Here trade is made easy by Binance. I'll make a video also concerning trading strategy. Binance, when you go to earn, Binance have got a lot of earn investments. So another thing that I want to talk about concerning Binance wallet, it is where you're going to find all the amount that you have placed or deposited on Binance. This is the overview. Overview is where you're going to find margin, future, and so many, and spot. This is, you're going to find fiat and spot only, the cryptocurrency that you're going to find, and the fiat I mean this USD, your currency where you're coming from, and this is margin, all the amount. Now apart from overview, this is detailed. This is margin money, this is future, this is options, these are earns. All these ones are different things that you can find on Binance. I will make videos one by one and show you how exactly. This is where you're going to find the funding wallet. When you get money from trading peer-to-peer, they will send your money from trading wallet. So once they send your money, they send you your money, you will find it here. If you want to transfer that money to your spot wallet, you just come here and click here maximum. I will show you exactly how you can change that amount into your spot wallet. Just subscribe and click on the bell icons, for that you don't miss any video on Simo Crypto channel. So that's all for today. Please subscribe and click on the bell icons for the latest videos. That's me. Bye.